Hey everyone, in this quicktech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to enable the official dark mode built inside of Windows 10. This process will allow you to change the default Windows mode along with the default app mode also. To do this, right-click on the Start menu and select Settings. In here, select Personalization. Next, select Colors on the left. Inside of this section, you can now set your Windows color environment how you'd like. In the first drop-down box, you can quickly choose between light or dark mode. This will affect everything inside of Windows. You can also choose Custom here, and then underneath, choose individual modes for Windows or apps. Say if you want to have Windows set to dark mode, but you want your apps to be in light mode. You can also scroll down and change your accent colors. You can see here, for instance, by changing this color, it changes the color of the transparency effects slider above. And that's how you enable dark or light mode inside of Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quicktech how-to videos.